Are your React apps feeling slow and heavy? Don't worry, today, I'll show you how to speed them up and make your apps run up to 10 times faster, using simple but powerful techniques. Use React.memo to avoid unnecessary re-renders. Use useCallback and useMemo to cache expensive functions and values. This tiny change can save your app from re-rendering hundreds of times, especially in large lists. Explain dynamic imports with React.lazy and suspense. Benefit: only load what's needed. Instead of loading your entire app at once, you can split it into chunks. This makes your initial load time much faster. Avoid heavy state in components. Use context sparingly, it causes global re-renders. Use state libraries like Zustand, Jotai, or Redux Toolkit efficiently. Not all data belongs in React state. Moving some logic outside React, like to local variables or refs, can drastically improve speed. Optimize images and assets. Compress images before adding them. Use SVGs or WebP where possible. Use CDN delivery for large assets. Heavy images are one of the top reasons apps feel slow. Optimize them, and you'll see instant speed improvements. Use virtualization for large lists. Introduce libraries like React Window or React Virtualized. If you're rendering thousands of rows in a table, don't render them all. Virtualization shows only what's visible, making scrolling smooth and fast. Use production build, npm run build. Deploy with CDNs and caching. A production build of React is way faster than a development build. Always ship production mode to your users. That's how you make your React apps up to 10x faster. Try these tips today, and watch your performance skyrocket. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more React tutorials, and let me know in the comments which trick worked best for you. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe for more React and JavaScript tips.